Looking at the flowers, I sit for hours, telling all the bluebirds, the bill and coo birds.
I may have shown a little too many props at the beginning, but for this look, I actually only used yarn, spirit gum, and a lot of flowers. I started cutting the flowers into smaller pieces, so they'd be easier to place individually. First, I mapped out the shape I wanted using a white pencil. Then I applied spirit gum directly on the outline. And please be careful when using professional adhesives. When the spirit gum gets tacky, that's when you start sticking things on. I used yarn to create the frame of the design, but also to give the flowers something to hold on to. And now the fun part. I glued every flower on individually. What vibe does this look give you?